If you've lost the ability to send messages on Instagram, you can follow these steps to restore your sending privileges. This guide will help you understand the process clearly. Step 1. Check for restrictions. Visit your Instagram account settings to see if there are any restrictions placed on your account. Look for any notifications or alerts that indicate a temporary ban or limitation. Step 2. Review community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Instagram's community guidelines and terms of use. Ensure that your previous activities did not violate any rules which could have led to the restriction. Step 3. Appeal the decision. Before starting recovery, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Instagram to review your case. This process may take a few days, so check your email for any updates from Instagram. Step 5. Adjust your usage. Once your sending privileges are restored, be mindful of your messaging habits. Avoid sending too many messages in a short period and refrain from engaging in spammy behavior to prevent future restrictions. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on Instagram. Remember to adhere to the platform's guidelines to maintain a good standing.